new training and new videos that explain I always call it the constipation plan, because everybody tries to explain how we get paid, and it's like they're grunting and just sitting there on the pot for 2 hours trying to get the information out. So don't be constipated. Let the videos produced by Save Club do the explaining on how we get paid. Okay, so let me just show you what I mean. All right. There we go. Boom. First of all, if you want to look into Save Club, go to joinsaveclub.org right there. Joinsaveclub.org. Deal? Okay, now let's go over and log in to saveclub.com. Okay, here's the home page. This is what it looks like. Now, when you go down to training, the tab right there on the left of the screen, you can see we have marketing materials. Now, when you click marketing materials, there's tons of pictures and tons of videos waiting for you to download and upload all over social media, send out in emails, inbox, on Facebook. It's up to you on how you want to market. Just use all the marketing materials right there by clicking that orange button. Now, check this out. If you want to download like a PDF file, it's just going to pop up on your screen. You can even print it. But here's the it's compensation. All right, look, it's comp AN. I think that might be misspelled, but I like to call it the constipation plan. Okay, it's just a document, but please just watch this video. It's a YouTube video. It explains everything in detail, how to use My Deals section. There's also a video how to just go in to My Deals and check it out. Now, see right here, I click the My Deals section. Look at how easy this is. Search here for deals if you want to go to Walmart or looking for umbrellas. And if you want to go, like in my case, see where it says Salt Lake City, just go ahead in this tab, put in your zip code, and then search. Go to parks and tickets, eat, travel, drop down menu, go crazy. Go all over the world. But just remember, we're only 10 days old. Today's June 10th. We debuted June 1st. In 10 days, we already got thousands, tens of thousands of deals. But most of it is on North America here. Of course, we're based in America, so Canada, Mexico. But don't worry, we're going to UK. Yes, we're going to Asia. We're going to Africa. Every city, every state, every country is going to have a massive amount of deals, millions available. Okay. Now, when you go into My Deals, if you have a business, check this out. Go to the bottom left and it says, are you a merchant and want to work with us? Click Get Started. Let's get your business in here. Maybe we can get you new customers. Just offer a smoking hot deal. Maybe 2 for 1, 10% off, 2 for Tuesday. You decide and work it out with Save Club. Okay, so just remember when you log in after you join, go to My Deals and then scroll down to the bottom and hit Get Started. And then you guys can figure this out. Put in your zip code, search all over a store or a particular product. And guys, you'll take 10 hours going through this website, okay? Now, let's get back to the training because I get nervous after you join that you're going to get lost and confused and not know what to do. Just go to that training tab and hit this marketing materials. Now, on your screen, do you see all these lines here that say 5/11? That just means May 17th, May 26th, June 1st, June 8th. What this means is we put brand new pictures and brand new video that you can download. They're yours. There's no extra cost. After you pay the $60 to be an affiliate and do the $19.97 a month, look at how much free stuff is waiting for you. Okay? So, how do you get to that page right here? Just remember, go to training, hit that orange button, and please don't try to explain the compensation plan. Look, we can't even spell it right. We're company station. Oh, I love it, man. Don't you love the internet? Don't you just love words and spellings and everything else? But anyway, watch these videos, guys. You'll have a good time. Let me show you both links, or I'll just show you one. Here's the official way to join. All right, I'll make this video less than 5 minutes. Joinsaveclub.org. Just go there right now, pre-enroll, open up the email you're going to get, okay? And let's get you going. This is such a cool company. Watch this video too. This is 6 minutes with our founder. And right here, let me just scroll down. Fill out this form right below. Hit that orange button and just open up that email. But let's get going. We're only 10 days old. Don't wait another month or two. You're going to have thousands of people a day joining. I need you to join now. Let's make some money. I will help you. You know why? Because if you make money, so do I. And if I help your downline make money, so do I. And I want you to make a lot of money. Okay, how much? I don't know. Disclaimer, disclaimer. But let's make it fun. Post every day. Okay, we can do lots of things. And you're good at one. And you don't have to do video like this because we already made a ton of video for you. But if you want to learn how to do video like this, don't worry about it. We'll get it. Okay, we'll figure it out. Relax. And with all the materials that you have in the back office I just showed you, you're going to be busy. But just go crazy. Upload all over the place. How many times a day? As many as you want. The more you post, the more you're going to boast and raise a glass to toast. You kicking some ass. Okay. All right, guys. Once again, let me show you my links. I just like to do it. There we go. joinsaveclub.org. And if you want to look into my new funnel system for $25, saveclubfunnels with an S.com. I'll just leave this screen up as I end the video, okay? Guys, thanks for your time. And get a hold of me if I can help you out. Cory at CoryDraper.com. You can see my email on my business cards right there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. All right, peace and love, guys. Thanks for your time. We'll talk to you soon.